Aloha kākou, o ka imila o kua ne wau, kupu ka aina a me pa a kuma o waenai, e kuli iwi aina hanau e aula. He kua mana, he lau kua o makakau li'i, he kia i o pura pona i. Mahalo. Hi, my name is Christopher Oliveira. I am from Hawaiian, born and raised in Oahu, and my poem is called A Nation of Our Own. One of the inspirations for the poem was a political science 180 class that I took with Dr. Kuhio Vogler. And he pretty much presented the state of Hawaii's affairs internationally in a very positive light, as if we the people have control, and I like his view on it. So that's pretty much why I wrote the poem. Also, the poem talks about us in Hawaii, I mean all of us in Hawaii, regardless of race, ethnicity, religious denomination. I believe that if we all get together, we can govern ourselves better than any government can govern us, because it'll truly be a nation of us, what America strives to be, and what our kupuna already had. So, I hope everybody listens to this poem and takes it from the perspective of a nationalist rather than race, because as we know, most Hawaiians are mixed with every race, and that's what our kupuna wanted. We all come from one source, one tree, many branches, but only one trunk. And yeah, that's basically it.